This is a plywood panel. But is it the best? Does it assure you quality and consistency? Let's find out how it all begun. Let's find out the answers to all the questions. An epic story in the world of timber began in the year 1982 in Katihar, in Bihar, when the Kshandak brothers laid the foundation stone of a company that created history in the timber industry. Maheshwari Wood Products, also known as MWP, is a well-established manufacturing firm in the field of panel products. Since 1992, the company has established itself as the leading manufacturer of plywood in southern India. Now, let's enter the world of Maheshwari Woods at the factory in Nanjangud, Mysore. The factory was a greenfield project started in the year 1993 to meet demands of quality plywood in India. From day one, the vision of the company has been to manufacture and sell plywood of quality higher than industry standards. We have been proactive in adapting to new technologies and manufacturing processes to meet changing demand of consumers. The state-of-the-art facility enables us to keep our promise of delivering high-quality plywood at an affordable price, hence enforcing our vision of elegant, durable, and affordable. Layers of veneer are peeled off, using a rotary peeler. They are used as the face of the plywood, and called as the face veneer. The peeled timber is then dried in huge dryers. The peeled core veneer is passed in between a resin applicator, in a manner to ensure even surface area coverage. At MWP, we use only full core and full panel core veneers, by stitching all cores together before assembly. This ensures our commitment to provide almost zero gap and zero overlap plywood. The sheets are then placed one above the other to achieve great dimensional stability. The inner layers of veneer act as the core of the plywood. The number of core layers determines the thickness of the plywood. These stacks of veneer and core veneer are then moved to the press section. It ensures that the applied resin penetrates into each and every core of the veneer. On applying pressure, the glue solidifies a bit. Going through this, the layers achieve a semi-bonding state. The semi-bonded plywood now passes through the hot press section. Here, the plywood is completely bonded by applying heat in a controlled manner, depending on the variant and thickness of the plywood. Hammer testing. This is an important way to test the bonding of plywood. Clarity of the knock sound are signs of excellent bonding. We hammer test every sheet before dispatch. Now let's take a glance of our product range. The world's best plywood. We have imported the plywood from the world's best factory for high net worth individuals looking to buy state-of-the-art plywood, made using only machinery and almost zero involvement of labor. A machine-made product results in almost zero defect plywood. A 1mm face veneer is used, so that product is 100% calibrated. A full panel gudgeon timber ensures zero gap while cutting a plywood. MWP is proud to present its premium plywood, Royal Club. The plywood is made from imported Burmese gudgeon core, which is widely regarded as the best timber for plywood production. Each component of the plywood is tested to ensure the finest quality. MWP Royal Club is truly built to last a lifetime. This range of plywood is made with a combination of gudgeon and South American hardwood, which gives the 19mm sheet a weight of 48 kilograms, which is among the highest in the industry. We only use a 0.7 gudgeon face veneer to give the sheet a great aesthetic appeal. The Platinum range comes with 3 different categories. The PF Platinum, which is made with 100% phenol, is boiling waterproof. The BWR grade, which is an economical waterproof grade. And the Premium MR grade, which is made from high-quality melamine resin. MWP proudly presents its range of premium block boards. Manufactured from the finest Sylvester pine, which has one of the highest densities of pine wood. The unique and prominent grains of the Sylvester pine provide great aesthetic appeal to our block boards. Our flush doors are renowned for their premium quality, possessing the ISO Part 1, 2202. MWP flush doors are boiling waterproof. With the use of our 3D technology, we are able to set stringent parameter for quality control. We have a range of more than 200 species of veneers, which have been sourced from different corners of the world, to provide a selection to our customers which cannot be matched. We use only 0.5 mm plus face veneers, and are based on full gudgeon plywood, hence our quality is far superior than industry standards. We present to you MWP. We are committed to our customers to provide plywood, veneers, and doors that are unparalleled, elegant, durable, and affordable. MWP products are a class apart. Committed to quality. Committed to you. Now, it's your turn to commit to MWP.